Hi again, and so maintenance on your bike, stuff you should do every week, and you can get all this done in the time it takes to have another cup of coffee, and you'll probably get a few other jobs done. Stuff you need to do in daylight, you cannot do it in the dark. And I was late home from work, and it was going to be dark in half an hour, so I just leave it, get it done the next day. Another cracking winter morning, frost this morning actually, so coffee made outside, got some tools out and some scotch baths for a wee extra job to do. So better drink this coffee quite quick because it will cool quick this morning. So weekly stuff to do. Chain is probably the big one to do. Get yourself a mat to kneel on. That's why I can still kneel okay, because my knees are fine, so I've never knelt on cold workshop floors or stone floors ground. So 24mm spanner and a 6mm Allen key is all you need. You use Allen key to lock the axle while you loosen the wheel nut, and I loosen it quite a bit. It just makes it easier. It's not going to go anywhere. This is only the third time this chain's needed tightened in 3,000 miles, over 3,000 miles now of riding, which is pretty good for a single cylinder. So you can see there the chain's well needed tightened. So get your 6mm key, and I just do quarter or half turns each side, going back and forward, and that way you'll keep your wheel exactly in line. Give it a check once you've seen the chain tighten up and move up a bit. There you go, that's fine. Now you can see there I've missed a bit when I oiled it last week, or lubed it. We'll get that done. So I'll get the wheel tightened up again, and it's job done there. The Silcoline titanium dry lube is way better than the Castrol stuff I previously had. So you'll need a bit of cardboard to stop this going on your rim and tyre and stuff. This is where your cider box comes in handy from last night. And just rotate it around slowly, just get it all covered, don't miss anything. Check your engine oil when your bike's on the centre stand and it's sitting level. Put a spirit level across the bars if you're not too sure. Check your tyre pressures, obviously when they're cold, and 32 front and back for a solo rider and 36 back for a pillion. I tend to run 33, 34 in the back just because I've got my panniers with spare tubes and a few extra tools. I'll do a video on them actually soon as well, extra stuff I carry on my bike. So that's front done, and we'll get the back done now. .33, that's close enough to 34 for me. And while you're down there, give your sidewalls a good check for any cuts. Can't take any chances with your tyres, always give them a weekly check, pressures and signs of wear when they're going to need replaced, and check for cuts especially if you're on country roads and stuff. I've not had to adjust my clutch lever yet, but I give it a wee, once a month or so, I just give it a wee bit of oil in there and give it a good wipe afterwards, and it just helps keep it nice and smooth and light. It's a brilliant clutch on that bike. Don't need a hydraulic clutch on a bike, it's something else to go wrong. Cable clutch is more than adequate. You get what you pay for, and pay good and buy once. Don't do what I've done and buy a cheap, nasty made silencer, which actually came from India. It was only 50 quid though, so at the time, you know, it saved me a bit of money, but it's just rusting. PG1 high temperature matte black spray paint's really good, so hopefully it'll keep the rust at bay for a while, keep the white looking half decent. And that's a weekly check over of the bike, regular preventative maintenance, and a few extra jobs done, all in under 5 minutes, that's all it takes. So thanks for watching, leave your likes, comments, whatever, I'll get back to you. Thanks again, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.